Welcome back to Critics News. Our brother, I don't even know, I don't tire yourself. Our brother will be the Minister of Interior of Italy. All of them are going on now. See here. Okay, welcome, sir. Welcome once again to Critics News. Now, every time they call here. You are welcome. I like this man. I like him. You are welcome, sir. You are a good man. Look here now. Eh? Look this side. You see? The problem is saying you're going to talk to these people, they're going to look another side. Look here, okay? You won't wrong. Una see now be the Minister of Interior of Italy. They don't capitalize. They don't enjoy now, don't full in mind, they don't happy. In name now happiness. They don't happy after the president will be Sergio Mattarella be Matras. He signed his decree into law, which is the one when I tell on say if they sign, I go come tell on. He said this time now they rush, no, now rush, sign this one now. They don't just waste time like the other one we go take maybe 12 days or so. They rush, sign this one quick. I say who? Everything where they bring now they sign. You know go wait, maybe we self will be maybe we check and maybe we cross check, maybe migrants check whether the thing go favor them before we sign. So that all of us go join and sign now. Everything where them you just sign. Decree, you sign. Degree, you sign. Degree, you sign. You know what they want? Everything where they give you go sign. You know if you say no to some way go where they hot migrants for Italy. You know if you say no. Now you don't sign this thing now. Everybody they run up and down. Una see the problem. So migration is a problem everywhere now. If you go America, migration is a problem. You go Europe, migration is a problem. So nowhere is safe now. Now so sign that they sign for Italy now. If you want to go out in Giro, they bring sign. May you sign for here. If you want to go to toilet, you sign. If you want bath, you sign. Me my signature don't finish. You should sign your decree where we will reap. This one now not the only document is reaping migrants of their signature. Continue, Mr. Signata. They don't remove the humanitarian, the one where they give document to minor people where no to get tough stories. Make I read the people where they say they go to give document to Nana. They say they go to give document to victims of natural disaster. People where perform heroic, where get heroic performances. You know now. You already know. We for critics, we know the hero better. Now heroic art. Even my papa self, now hero. So you already know now my own self. Now 10 years. You understand? So no the reason now. You see how the people where they do prostitution, prostitution, and all of them like this. Where they hustle for roads, street work for night. So they're not gonna give them document. Those people, if they nab them, now about 6 months or 3 months imprisonment, depending on the kind prostitute way they do. If they do rich man, maybe now 6 months. If na poor man, what they do? Now 3 months. Some of our girls for Europe here. Now inside bush they do prostitution. You now see what make this man they sign all this decree. Our people, some na drugs then they sell. Some here, na cultism. Everybody they do anyhow. Why this guy no go they sign decree? We go make them now. Document now. They want turn them like driver's license for here. Because their license now, if you beat traffic offense, they go minus point. If you beat pedestrian crossing, they go minus point. If you jam something, they go minus. If something jam you, they go minus. So now, so the document now go soon be. You understand? And it's all the people where they do Shoro now. Shoro, no, now listen, our brothers, where they go Bonjour for road. This one now for now, he say if you catch anybody now, where police catch now, say na 6 months or 3 months imprisonment, depending on the judge where they handle matter. Bros, some people they do for big supermarket, some they do for small supermarket, you understand? So all those people where they do for small places, if you catch them, you give them small. People where they do for big supermarket, now big jail you go and you go pay fine.
Until the 5th of October, okay. After 10 years that you are in Italy, you are living in Italy, you can ask for Italian citizenship even if you are not married to an Italian person. And before you had to wait for 2 years. Now you must wait for 4 years. And moreover, before you paid 200 euros and now it's 250. For the people who ask for political asylum after the 5th of October or didn't ask for residence before the 5th of October, can't be registered anymore. Okay, so for example, if a person is in Italy since 2 years, but he never gone to Comune to ask for residence, now he can't do it anymore. That means that he can't have the identity card, which is so important to activate a job contract or to open a bank account or for many other issues. The most important thing of this law, the humanitarian protection, the 2 years, has been deleted. Okay, Salvini decided that he doesn't want commission or the judge to give political asylum seeker the humanitarian protection. Okay, so
that is, they cancelled humanitarian. Before there were 3 kinds of protection: refugee status, subsidiary protection, and humanitarian. Now they removed humanitarian. There's no more humanitarian. Before she continues, I want to say, all of you that had humanitarian protection before, go and change it to job document, because if the thing expires in your hand and you want to go and renew it, they might not renew it for you. You might lose your document. There or no?
Is right. I want to talk about this. If you got a contract job for 6 months and the job is for more than 20 hours a week, you can go to Questura and ask to convert it to job permission. It's really important. Okay. Now, as I told you before, the humanitarian protection has been cancelled. There will be 3 kinds of protections now. Special protection, if you belong to a minority in your origin country, and in your country, your civil rights are education, the right for votes, health care assistance, and so on. If in your origin country you don't have these civil rights, they can give you this special protection, which is from 6 months to 1 year or sometimes 2 years. Okay, and they can give you a permission for health problems, serious health problems. Okay, and for natural disaster. If in your origin country there's been a really big natural disaster, they can give you protection for a small period. Okay. Another important issue, there are some crimes which will cancel your international protection if you already got it, or your demand for political asylum protection. First of all, sexual violence and prostitution exploitation. Okay?
Do we understand? Now, they can, even if you have protection, it can be cancelled if you commit these crimes. Prostitution, or you induce someone to prostitute. If they catch the person, even if you're an Italian citizen, they will collect the passport from you. The one that gave you. So
the using or the selling of drugs. If a police catch you with a small quantity of marijuana, okay, they can decide to delete your permission to stay in Italy. Okay. You threats, or you are violent against a public officers. Public officers are not just police, carabinieri, but also vigile urbano.
Trained conductor.
The new law introduced two crimes: begging. Okay. You can be arrested and you can stay in prison from 3 to 6 months. And you will have to pay a fine from 3,000 to 6,000 euro.
Did you
Just
hear?
begging. You understand? Begging.
That one
Prison
concern
for
many of
begging.
us. Praise the Lord. I want to make this one clear. Now, begging is a crime. She said that they introduced two new activities as crime. Number one, she mentioned begging is a crime, and she said the person can go to prison for 3 months, or 6 months, from 3 to 6 months. Not only that, if they catch someone begging, all the beg that you are begging since the day you land here, you vomit all the money because they say you will pay multa. Quanto?
1,000 euro. 9 days they give for fine now. If they catch you for big supermarket and big money. All the money wey person don shortize, you go vomit all of them. Na be the law wey dey now. So everybody needs to be careful. And if you dey sell igbo, if you dey sell marijuana, dey sell heroin, dey sell cocaine, dey sell all those kind things, dey tramadolize. If they nab you, if you dey hear the next morning, you go dey hear buy pure water. That is Oshodi area. You know say our airport dey near Oshodi. And wetin the person go dey hear, na be the things wey this man now don sign. He say people wey go dey give document na people wey get mental problem, wey get some kind sickness, wey dey work. So na mad people now you wan give document. We now our brain dey function. You no wan give them document, or if person no dey sick anyhow, you no go give them. He has the right now to say no to giving of document, which is very bad. Give people wey don cross here document. People now no dey even cross again. So give them document and leave the people wey never cross. Nobody is crossing again. So give people wey dey document and leave the people. No other person is crossing. I don tell them, and anybody should not cross again. May we see whether you go give people wey dey. You understand? Nobody is crossing again. Give people wey dey here document. Everybody. Don't be stingy here. You wan run. Or if your story get too much lies, if they discover say your story na lie, that one na 3 or 6 months imprisonment. Because our black people here, they still don't go poison them. Say these people na lie, then they lie you. May no give them document to. Na still our black people, black man, you still go sell their brothers for here. Nah. These guys, they don't know. Say some people they lie. So if you get that humanitarian, quickly go convert them to work. You understand? Convert them to the one where they take the work, so that you no go expire. If you expire for your hand, they feel no renew them again. And be the law one day now. You understand? But the good news we say, Catholic Church, they say no, you know good like this, which is this Pope now. Okay, God go bless you, sir. God go bless you. This is Critics News. We welcome you for here. And your first time here. You don't hear the things where they do since. Now they wrong. Now make some migrants never go home. Now make they never deport many people. So Muna me thank her. God go bless you, sir, for saving migrants. They open their churches, open other places where all those migrants where Savini don't pursue. Now I come welcome them, say no, you no good. Because these people go pursue human being and put dog inside house. Oh, God go bless you, sir. You here? You are welcome to Critics News once again.
Che sia meschino fare politica manipolando i cittadini e per questi motivi voterò contrario.
Grazie deputata Benedetti. Sono così esaurite le dichiarazioni di voto finale. Indico la votazione nominale finale mediante procedimento elettronico sul disegno di legge già approvato dal Senato numero 1346, conversione in legge con modificazioni del decreto legge 4 ottobre 2018 numero 113, recante disposizioni urgenti in materia di protezione internazionale e immigrazione, sicurezza pubblica, nonché misure per la funzionalità del Ministero dell'Interno e l'organizzazione e il funzionamento dell'Agenzia Nazionale per l'Amministrazione e la destinazione dei beni sequestrati e confiscati alla criminalità organizzata. Delega al Governo in materia di riordino dei ruoli e delle carriere del personale delle forze di polizia e delle forze armate. Dichiaro aperta la votazione. Comencini, Rizzone, Garavaglia, Battelli, Giulio Dori, Minniti, Orlando. Le riprese sarebbero vietate. Crippa Andrea. Deputato Nobili deve togliere la maschera. Deputato Nobili. Battelli. Dovete evitare di fare le riprese, l'ho già detto una volta, non è un cinematografo. Allora, non ci sono colleghi? Sì, occhio nero. Poi chiudiamo la votazione. Ci siamo? Perfetto, la votazione è chiusa. La Camera approva. 396 favorevoli, 99 contrari.
No. You don't do something. Even people where they rescue people, those voluntary workers where they go water, go rescue people. They not they go again. Now no rescue day for water. You don't persecute them, you don't disturb them, you don't sue them, carry go cut up and down, store their sheep, make this one. Life come hard for them. They say they know they do again. So now, rescue no day for water. In case you dey Libya, no go let anybody scan you, my guy. Find way and go home. Because people wey dey safe, they are complaining. So people they tell me say they want go house because no document, no job, no money. So no only sure people go they do. No. They sure where people take they survive. They don't calabush am. If you don't see where those people where they rescue people, they complain, say they don't go on strike, must try.
Packing up the ship that's been a beacon of hope for 30,000 people over the past 2 years, rescuing those making the treacherous sea crossing between Libya and Europe. Migrants and refugees risking everything for what many of us take for granted, a safe place to call home. The Aquarius, though, can no longer work. And the charities Doctors Without Borders and SOS Méditerranée say that's because of European interference.
We've been subjected to a concerted campaign of harassment, intimidation and obstruction. It's taken the form of criminal investigation on the basis of spurious allegations, and we've been shot at and harassed by the Libyan Coast Guard, which is funded by European governments, including that of the UK.
Aquarius has been blocked in the French port of Marseille since October. After Panama revoked its registration, the charities say it was at the request of Italy's anti-migrant government. Then last month, Italian police ordered its seizure for allegedly dumping toxic waste. The charities deny the allegations. More than 107,000 people arrived in Europe by sea this year. At the height of the crisis, in 2015, more than 1 million people made the voyage. But while crossings have dropped, the UN has said the journey's becoming more dangerous. It blames restrictions on search and rescue boats like the Aquarius. Earlier this year, there were weeks of wrangling over who would take the Aquarius and the 600 people it had rescued. Both Italy and Malta refused entry amid international condemnation that politics was taking precedence over people's lives. Spain later welcomed the boat.
being at sea, it's not only rescuing people, it's also testifying. Be there to see what is happening. Today, no one is at sea, and no one is here to actually see the people dying.
The UN says more than 17,500 people have drowned or gone missing in the Mediterranean since January 2014. Last year, there were 5 rescue boats there. Now, there are none. The charities say they are looking for a replacement boat for the Aquarius. Its crew fear that there are vulnerable people out there, possibly in danger, and no one to help them.
Unasia, now they know they rescue anybody, no rescue they water now. So I never know how the matter take be. No rescue they water, be warned. No be say you go there, say they shout Jesus, your pastor go give you long necklace when you go wear away, carrying picture, poster, they put. You go enter water, or you know what, you're on your own. So don't go try your God, go enter water, say you want cross. People will cross, say they are gogging. You understand? We'll go another news.
Think say we blind, make we yarn. Why are my people so poor? We can't take this no more.